What's up, YouTubers? I was requested to do another casserole dish, so this is a Crockpot piece of casserole. Very quick, simple, affordable recipe, great for a huge family. Let's get into it. Now with this recipe, it calls for any piece of toppings you prefer. The main course you will need is sausage, noodles, pizza sauce, and cheese and onions. I use a bell pepper, so go ahead and cut up bell pepper and your onion. Go ahead, pour your choice of noodles over to the pot, ready for boil. Cook your sausage. In a separate pan, go ahead and cook your onion, green pepper. I chose also to use some mushrooms. Go ahead and use some mushrooms. Pour some little olive oil on top or at the bottom before you put your ingredients in. Next, you just want to let it simmer, let it cook down for a little bit, stir it up, get your mixture all coated together. Go ahead and pour your mixture over into your cooked sausage meat. Next, you just want to let that simmer all together, let the flavor combine. Next, you just want to add your meat mixture over into your noodles. Go ahead and use a piece of sauce of your choice. I use Prego. Use it in your noodles and your meat mixture. Go ahead and incorporate the sauce into your mixture. Spray down your crock pot. Put some sauce down at the bottom. For your first layer, you want to add your noodles and meat mixture. Your next layer is cheese. You can use as much as you like. If you would like to see more step-by-step recipes, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. All other social media platforms is in the description. With this recipe, you can use as much cheese and sauce as you like on each layer. What you want to do next is go ahead and finish that layer with some of your favorite piece of toppings. I just decided to go with some pepperoni. You can use olives, ham, etc. I like pepperoni, so I decided to make sure I had enough on that layer to top it off. Next thing you want to do on top of that cheese layer, add a layer of your sausage, noodle, and sauce mixture. Once you get all the mixture in there as much as you like, go ahead and top that layer off with some more cheese. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow any other social medias that is listed in the description. Last thing you want to do is top your last layer off with your chosen piece of toppings. Let it slow cook for an hour to 2 hours. Halfway of slow cooking, you can top it off with some seasoning. I decided to use some V's Premium Garlic Powder. The link is in the description. Also topped it off with some oregano. After seasoning process, go ahead and let it cook for 10 to 20 minutes. Store link, garlic powder link is in the description along with all other social media platforms. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you would like to see more step-by-step easy recipes. You can serve this casserole with a salad or some simply garlic bread. Great for a huge family. Enjoy.